So I go walking to the store the other day to get some, cold cut, slice, something to eat. Well, I walk in a Roy's Deli, and I look over at the counter, and this guy pointing a 6-inch cold cut at the cashier. No big deal, right? He's gonna purchase, some lunch. Well, I look at the cashier, and he's got this look on his face like, oh my God, what the fuck? And I'm thinking, what the frick is going on here? So I'm like, hey buddy, what's the big deal here? He turns and looks at me, and he's like, he points this thing, his cold cut, like it's some kind of, meaning of power, like he's gonna take me off of God's green earth or something, and it's got this black ring, it's he's got something in there, and it's scaring the old man behind the cashier. So I figure, hey, this guy's got something on, in between the slices. Like, hey, well, whatever, hey man, don't put that on me. So he starts yelling at me like, hey, get the fuck back in the restaurant, shut your fucking mouth. I'm like, hey, no problem, man, what the fuck ever. Anyway, so, I'm getting my own business, and while he's, threatening me and all this stuff, he sort of leans the cold cut toward the floor, and some guy, not knowing, he didn't even know this guy was holding up the joint. He walks up with his dog, and the dog grabs the cold cut like you wouldn't believe. He just rips the thing right out of his hand, and it falls on the floor, salami and mustard and mayonnaise and all, and there's nothing but a freaking black bar in the sandwich, man. The guy's trying to rob the place with a 6-inch piece of steel. Check out the balls on this guy, it's freaking hilarious. Never seen anything like it in my life. Anyway, he got rounded up pretty quick. Cashier called him cops pretty quick. I didn't know what to say about him. Anyway, blew my mind, Thank you.